All right, now we are in the A4 floor plan. This unit is just under 1,100 square feet at 1,091. So here we go. Here's the front entrance. You would come in through here, and then we have the shelving, built-in shelving units right here to the right, which is really nice. Over towards the right is the utility closet here. We do have a powder room, so you have 1.5 bath in this floor plan, and the washer and dryer right here as well. Okay, and then to the left is the den area. All right, with two nice closets here. We actually have 2 of these units available currently. Both of them are really great options. All right, here we go. Open layout. Nice, large floor plan, very spacious. This would be the dining area right over here. And the living area. Nice space in the kitchen. Additional storage down here as well. And all along here with the pantry. All right, this is gonna have a very similar view. We're right down the hall, so we're actually still gonna be looking at a marsh view, pool view from here. And here we go. Also have entry to the balcony from the common area or the bedroom, which is nice. All right, and then as we come over here, the bedroom is going to be off of the living space. We have the shelving unit right here to the left, and the bedroom right here. Really nice size. Really nice size bedroom here. And then the ensuite bathroom. Okay, so we have our linen closet here. All right, nice size mirror along with the medicine cabinet and the master shower. Of course, it's gonna have the built-in bench and nice size closet in here as well. So this one is the A4 floor plan. It's gonna be just under 1,100 square feet.